Welcome to the Booth Model, a single-story home designed for modern living in Villa Grande community here in Winterville, North Carolina. What makes this home stand out immediately is how thoughtfully it's laid out. This neighborhood is now in phase 5 of development, and homes like this one are getting a lot of attention. Let's take a walk inside and show you why. As you step inside, the home opens up with a bright, spacious foyer. Clean white walls give it a modern touch, while the wood-style flooring adds warmth and character. It's wide enough to feel open, but still gives you that sense of a true entryway. You'll notice the natural flow starts right here. The hallway pulls you in, and you already get a peek at the open concept design. It feels welcoming, polished, and ready to impress. Off the foyer, there's a coat closet for everyday convenience, but what really captures your attention is how open everything feels once you reach the heart of the home. On your left, there's a flexible dining area that can be formal or casual, whatever fits your lifestyle. Straight ahead is a beautifully staged living room featuring an electric fireplace with a clean, modern design. It anchors the space and adds that cozy touch buyers are looking for. The open concept kitchen ties it all together. Granite countertops wrap around the layout, giving you space to prep, serve, and host with ease. There's a deep farmhouse sink, stainless appliances, and cabinetry that's both stylish and functional. You'll also notice the walk-in pantry tucked into the corner. Built-in shelving makes it easy to stay organized. This kitchen is all about flexibility, enough space to move freely, yet close enough to stay connected to everything going on in the living room. Past the kitchen is the breakfast nook, bright, airy, and perfectly placed. It's the kind of space that makes your morning coffee feel extra peaceful, with a view that leads straight to the backyard. Right outside those glass doors is a covered patio, giving you a shaded retreat for spring afternoons or summer evenings with family and friends. Also, this community is a 10-minute drive to Starbucks or Sam's Club, so you are close to everything. Turning back toward the living area, you get a full view of how the kitchen, nook, and living room all connect. The floor plan flows without feeling too open, and that's part of what makes it livable. Now let's move into the primary bedroom tucked away in its own corner of the home. Step into the primary bathroom and you'll instantly see the attention to detail. Dual vanities with sleek quartz countertops make mornings smoother, whether you're sharing the space or just want more room to spread out. A frameless walk-in shower gives you that spa-like feeling, while the private water closet adds separation and comfort. To the side, there's a built-in linen closet, perfect for towels, storage baskets, or anything else you want neatly tucked away. As you look back into the bedroom, you'll notice the generous walk-in closet, deep, spacious, and easy to organize. You can picture how everything in this primary suite works together: the natural light, the finishes, the layout. It's a peaceful space that still feels practical. Head back through the open concept living area and you'll see just how connected this home is. From kitchen to nook to patio, every piece flows, and right off that main hallway is your laundry room. It's tucked away to reduce noise, but still centrally located for convenience. Just like Villa Grande, as it's so close to everything but tucked away where it's quiet. Before we explore the rest of the bedrooms, there's one more hallway closet for the storage, and then we arrive at the home's second full bath. The second full bathroom is beautifully designed with quartz countertops, dual sinks, and updated fixtures that give it a clean, modern feel. Whether it's for kids, guests, or shared space, it's practical and polished. Right next door, bedroom 2 offers a warm, welcoming atmosphere. The large window brings in natural light, and the view of the front yard landscaping gives the room extra charm. It's fully staged to show how easily this space can be styled and used. ideal for guests, teens, or even a second home office. Bedroom 3 is currently styled as a nursery, and it's easy to see why. The room feels peaceful and simple, with plenty of floor space and great natural light from the double hung windows. It's flexible too, ready to grow into a guest room, playroom, or personal retreat. And yes, there's a full closet for storage. Now we're in bedroom 4, which has been staged as a home office with plenty of light and minimal setup. It shows just how easily this space can adapt to your needs, whether that's working from home, creating study zone, or using it as a guest room. It's tucked in its own quiet corner of the home with its own closet and a clear view of the backyard. With 4 true bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, and a floor plan that balances openness with function, the booth model delivers comfort, flexibility, and style, all in one level. Want to see it in person or explore other new construction homes in Winterville, North Carolina? Call Al and Victoria today. Let's help you make this home your own.